do have a solid metal frame around the edge.
Someone's at front door.
A plastic back here, that plastic look. You do have a fingerprint sensor there on the back. We do have a...
Oh boy. Yeah, boy. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the Pixel 4a, and yes,
After
4
long years, finally,
I am officially part of teampixel. So big shout out to Google for sending this out as a gift. Thank you, I appreciate it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the Pixel 4a. Very similar packaging to the Pixel 4. I'm super excited about this phone. Just a quick spec rundown real quick. It does have a AMOLED 1080p display coming in at 5.8 inches. Has a 12 megapixel rear camera, 6 gigs of RAM, and a Snapdragon 730 and 3140 milliamp hour battery. Now this is a unlocked phone, so you can pretty much use it on any carrier you want, and it has 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Obviously, if you're a fan of the Pixels, you know that there is no SD card for expansion. It does have fast charging. It has an 18-watt fast charging, which is awesome, and a rear fingerprint sensor. No in-display fingerprint sensor or no of that solely chip or anything like that. This is going to be a quick unboxing. Let's go ahead and unbox this Pixel 4. Quick overlook of the box here. You see silhouette of the phone there with the power button, and it looks like it's mint green. Google logo, Google, and a lot of mumbo jumbo. Let's go ahead and peel these tabs here and hashtag teampixel. You know what it is, baby. You know what it is. teampixel. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Inside the box we have obviously the case, and it does feel light because it is made of plastic, but this is a plastic phone that's not gonna cost you $1,000. It's gonna cost you $349. For $349 you get a 1080p 5.8 display, you get 6 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 730, a 3340 milliamp hour battery with fast charging, and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. It doesn't get better than that, boys and girls. For $349, this thing's a beast. Let's go ahead and put that aside and see what else is in the box. Inside the box we have our Google colorful pamphlets with our SIM ejection tool. We do get that fast charging brick here at 18 watts type C, so that is always a plus. Actually, for $349 you get a lot. You get type C cable here, you get a type C to USB adapter, and the charging brick. Doesn't get better than that. Let's go ahead and put that back on here. Now the phone does not have wireless charging, and it does not have dual cameras. It only has a single camera in the rear there. Let's go ahead and peel this. Oh, nice. Now it does feel nice in hand. You do have dual stereo speakers. You got sound coming from the earpiece here and the bottom firing speaker. One of these is a speaker and the other one is the mic, but feels very good in hand. Feels A little bit smaller than my Pixel 4. Here's my Pixel 4a. As you can see, the difference is quite a little bit smaller, but this is the 4XL, my bad, and its baby brother, the 4a. Looks and feels very similar, and actually this plastic back feels pretty good in hand. Almost feels like this frosted back for the Pixel 4 XL, but not just quite. You can still tell it's plastic. Feels solid in hand. You got that mint color button there, your volume rocker. You do have a headphone jack there on top along with the mic. On the right side you have nothing but your SIM injection tray there, and speakers and Type-C charging. And on the back you do have like a indentation. It almost feels like that fingerprint sensor is embedded into the back plastic body there, but not too bad. And of course your flash and your camera there. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy up. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, on the front of the phone you do have that, boom, a hole punch camera for your front facing camera display. Looks pretty good. I absolutely love it. So there you have it, guys, the Pixel 4a. I'm gonna go ahead and power this up, set it up, do a quick run through, and then we'll be back and we'll do a quick walk through it, and let me show you guys what this phone is all about. All right, so this finally got set up, and one thing to notice is these power button, the volume rocker and the power button, are very pronounced. They stick out a lot from the frame here, which is great. Because you can actually feel the rocker, you can actually feel the power button, and they're nice and tactile. Very, very clicky, as you can hear. Very responsive, and I love that. That's absolutely cool. The fingerprint reader on the rear, again, very fast and reliable. Oh, I turned the phone off, my bad. Let's go ahead and power this bad boy back on. I was gonna show you right now. Let this boot up real quick. And one of the reasons why I just shut it down was because after the initial setup, after downloading all the apps, I wanted to make sure it was running at its optimal performance and nothing was bogging down the OS. So there you have it. Let's go ahead and check out that fingerprint reader on the back. Here we go. Again. And I keep missing it. Again, there we go. Bam. Not bad. Okay, so looking at the phone and running through it, it feels very snappy. Snapdragon 730, 6 gigabytes of RAM is going to make it feel snappy, and it feels like it's handling pretty well. Just your normal Pixel phone here. If you're used to the Pixel OS, you know what to expect. Let's go to systems and let's see if there's a update, and we are on the current update there, August 5th security update, and it is running Android 10. Of course, this is a Pixel device, so you're always going to be on the latest and greatest. So for 350 bucks, you're always going to rock the latest and greatest software experience from Google. 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes. I cannot emphasize this enough, what a great deal this is. Of course, I'm going to put it against other $350 or around the same price range smartphones. This is plastic, but I don't think it's a reason for you not to get the device. The Note 20 was just announced, and that is plastic, and that phone costs $1,000. But two reasons why you get the Pixel 4a. Number one, it's a Google Pixel. You're always going to have the latest and greatest. You're always going to have Android 10, Android 11, whatever the current OS is, you're always going to have it. And you're always going to get security updates, monthly security updates. Number two, the camera. The camera on the back is a 12 megapixel camera, and it's probably gonna be fantastic. I wouldn't doubt it. I'm going to take a quick portrait picture of the box here. So here's a quick picture of it. It looks fantastic. I'm sure it's gonna perform flawless. We have an 8 megapixel front facing hole punch out camera there on the front. So I'm super excited to start using this as my daily phone. I cannot wait. I am, like I said, gonna put it up against other phones around the same price range, but those are the 2 reasons why to get a Pixel 4a. Software update, camera, and I believe now is the 3rd reason, price, $349. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you saw. If you're new to the channel, I am going to be covering more Pixel A content, Pixel 4a content. Thanks for stopping by. Hit that notification bell so you know when more videos drop. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.